Hey guys, it's Kirsten Keener, recording the video for the CRA Personal Leadership Vision Statement. Alright, so here we go with my personal leadership vision. I am nice. I do this so that other people are more willing to talk with me. I am mindful. I do this so that others know I pay attention to what they say. I am kind. I do this so that people feel comfortable around me. I am sincere. I do this so that people believe me and know I have their best interests at heart. I am thoughtful. I do this so that people know I think things through before I speak. For me, personally, it's weird, to put it lightly, to say these things like out loud and have people like, I guess, be able to judge me for it. So I guess that's kind of my opinion. Like, it's odd, it feels personal. I don't know how comfortable exactly I feel with it. Like, I understand it though. I understand the point of it. And it feels a little bit good to kind of get it out there. And I think that's kind of what I've discovered with some of these discussions that we've had this semester, is that it's making me more comfortable to do things and say some things aloud that I generally wouldn't. And I think that's really interesting, actually. Most of my classes, I feel I can't say certain things, cause tension and whatnot. And this class isn't quite an argumentative class, really. It's more talking things out loud and whatnot. But I think that's helped. And yeah. Alright, well, that's it. Thank you guys.